How to add money in Binance using crypto. Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you step by step how to add money in Binance using crypto coin. First of all, open Binance and here you have to tap on deposit button. After that, here you select the coin in which you want to deposit. Now here I click on USD TRC20 because I want to deposit it. Now from here you have to copy its wallet address by clicking on the copy button. Now here you have to open the crypto exchange from where you want to send coins to this wallet address. After that, click on the withdraw button here. After clicking on the withdraw, here you have to select the coin from which you copied the wallet address. After that, click on send crypto network. Now paste your wallet address here at the top where you want to send. Select your coins below. I want to send in TRC20. Below this you have to add the amount you want to send. After that, click on the withdraw button in the right bottom. In this way you can deposit or withdraw money in Binance.